Hello there, lovely ladies. Are you ready to kickstart your journey towards better health and well-being? I'm thrilled to offer you an exciting free resource, my Water Mocktail Hydration Recipe Book. If you're looking to manage menopause and lose weight, taking that first step towards increased water intake is key. This recipe book is all about making your hydration journey fun and refreshing. From fruity fusions to creative concoctions, these mocktail recipes are designed to keep you feeling fabulous as you reach your hydration goals. Simply fill in the form to receive your free copy and take that exciting first step to a healthier and happier you. Let's raise a toast to embrace better health and well-being together. I am here to help you feel fabulous. If you are over 45 years old, this is for you. Take the step towards healthier, happier, and feeling fabulous.